LTC, we start with 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. First things, as we can see based on 1 hour chart, if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. Okay, I need to highlight here, divergence, it doesn't mean we can look for buy. Okay, we can, it's like we cannot use the divergence as a signal. The only thing is, in the bigger picture, we see we are within the lowest price of the correction. Later we'll refer. The only thing is, for me, I want to highlight, if I get any trade for buy, I will take it. Right now we cannot look for any trade, either buy or sell. We have to get the correction. This is the only things right now I want to see. Okay, that's mean we cannot buy or sell right now without having a correction. Okay, but for me, if I get any reversal, this is what I'm looking for. Even if you refer to my last analysis, if you move to forward chart, similar to what we get here, we have been looking for buy since the price was within this move, but the reversal, it didn't give us the one we have been looking for. Okay, and right now we are more interested to look for buy. But if we move to daily chart, the only thing is, as we can see, the price almost at the lowest for this correction. Okay, how deep it can go? With the breakout of 113, we can expect the price drop to even the 60. But if we're looking for the reversal for long term, we prefer the price reverse without breaking 113. And even if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. Again, it doesn't mean we can look for buy because of the divergence. We have to see the reversal, because still, even if this is the last move, even we can expect the continuation, even the price drop to 60. Okay, but the only thing is, if we refer to the divergence without considering this one, some of the traders, the only times they refer to the indicators after they see the price at least tag the lowest price of this shadow. It depends on the strategy they use. Okay, the only thing is, for me, in the long term, I'm looking for buy, but buying right now without the trade setup is not really the good idea. In case, I need to highlight, in case this is the start of the down move, similar to what we get here, we need to be really careful about this. I don't want to say the price is going to drop. The only things I want to highlight, if we want to look for the reversal for buy, we need to get the trade set up. If it's not moving over direction, we are not going to keep the trade for long term. And if you refer to our analysis, we discussed about the flat, the price drop, but right now we don't have any trade set up. The only thing is, any reversal as a short move flag, for me, I will take the trade either based on 1 hour or 15 minutes. If it move in my direction, I will keep the trade. If not, I will take out the trade in break even, at least in the break even. Okay. How we can look for trade? If we get any sharp move flag, then we can put our entry above the top. Then if there is a continuation, we get the trade. It's good for us, at least move our stop loss in the break even. If not, we don't keep the trade more than 2 to 4 hours. Okay, that's why I mentioned we don't have any trade setup. Even we can expect the price to drop and continue. That's why if we want to look for buy, any reversal with a sharp move flag, we take the trade. If it's not moving in our direction, we take out the trade. We are not going to keep the trade. This is the only things I want to highlight here. Okay, because we don't see the confirmation yet. But it doesn't mean we have to wait. Any trade setup for buy, we will take it. Okay, and again, I need to highlight, that's the reason, as I mentioned, if we are more interested to look for buy, it doesn't mean the price cannot drop. We mentioned how deep the price can go. That's why I mentioned, if we get any trade setup, we take it. If it's not moving in our direction, we are not going to keep the trade for long term. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any reversal, any trade setup that can confirm the next move, I will take the trade. But nowadays, the way the market is moving is really corrective. Mostly any chart, any trade, either for the sell or buy, we consider as a short term. This is what I have been explaining. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.